All of you, good morning. Preparation and uses of plastic. Today topic we discuss about last class in definition of polymer and the definition of polymerization. Then next types of polymerization. The types of polymerization is three types. One is addition or chain polymerization. Second one is condensation polymerization or step polymerization. Third one is copolymerization or joint polymerization. Then next define plastics and write the advantages of plastics and characteristics of plastics and disadvantages of plastics. First one, polythene preparation. It is prepared by the addition polymerization of ethylene at 1000 to 2000 atmosphere of pressure and 250 degrees temperature in the presence of oxygen catalyst. Ethylene molecule containing 2 carbons and 4 hydrogens and one double bond, the double bond containing one sigma bond and one pi bond. Sigma bond is the strong bond and pi bond is the weak bond. Whenever applying the 1000 to 2000 atmosphere pressure and 250 degrees temperature, the pi bond break to distribute the each one carbon of one electron. The another molecules, ethylene molecule, also occurred same reaction. The two ethylene molecules are monomers to react form large number of carbons and hydrogens contain the long chain polythene is produced. Uses of polythene. It is used to prepare insulators, parts, bottles, caps, tubes, pipes, cables, wires, etc. It is used for making kitchen and domestic appliances, toys, sheets, and bags for packing. These are the uses of polythene. Then next, polyvinyl chloride preparation. It is prepared by the addition polymerization of vinyl chloride in the presence of benzoyl peroxide or hydrogen peroxide under pressure. Whenever ethylene molecule containing 2 carbons and 4 hydrogens, the ethylene molecule to remove one hydrogen to add chlorine, this is called vinyl chloride. This is also same structure but one carbon position change to chlorine, the 3 hydrogens as same and double bond also same. In this double bond, one is a sigma bond and another one is pi bond. Same as usual, the polythene reaction as it is done to the polyvinyl chloride reaction. This is also addition polymerization. When the number of vinyl chloride molecules to react to form polyvinyl chloride, this is also called PVC. And in this reaction, benzoyl peroxide or hydrogen peroxide used as a catalyst. These two catalysts are used to speed up the reaction. Uses of PVC. It is used for making sheets for tank linings, helmets, tires, tubes, raincoats, tablecloths, etc. Second one, it is also used in electrical insulation, electric cables, conveyor belts, chemical containers. These used articles are all daily used in real life. The actually the plastics pipes are more number of pipes prepared polyvinyl chloride. Teflon or polytetrafluoroethylene, this is also called PTFE. Preparation, it is prepared by the addition polymerization of tetrafluoroethylene in the presence of benzoyl peroxide under pressure. This is same as usual. Two carbons contains two carbons and four chlorines, one double bond. The double bond breaking to two electrons are formed. These electrons to form carbon to carbon new sigma bond. Uses of Teflon. It is used an insulating material for transformers, cables, wires, fittings, etc. It is used for making gaskets, pickings, pump parts, tank linings, chemical carrying pipes, etc. It is used for coating and impregnating glass fibers, asbestos fibers, and cloths. It is also used for making burettes and bearings. These bearings are used paper industries like small industries. The burettes are used in laboratory. Impregnating glass fibers are used in real life buses and lorries. Asbestos fibers used in construction of industries and different types of industries and houses and cloths. First one, it is used an insulating material for transformers. This is shock prevent material and cables, wires fitting also. Next one, polystyrene. It is prepared by the addition polymerization of styrene dissolved in a solvent like ethyl benzene in the presence of benzoyl peroxide as a catalyst. This is also addition polymerization reaction. In this reaction, ethyl benzene and benzoyl peroxide catalysts are used. These catalysts more favorable in this reaction and speed up the reaction. Uses of polystyrene. It is used for making articles like toys, combs, buttons, television pots, lenses, etc. Second one, it is also used in the manufacture of component and articles for electrical insulation, optical equipment, photographic equipment, etc. Uses of polystyrene making articles like toys used in real life, combs, buttons, television frames, and lenses. Electrical insulation means electrical wire cable covering material Optical equipment means the lenses, frame sets are also called optical equipment. Photographic equipment means cameras. Then next to urea formaldehyde preparation. It is prepared by the condensation polymerization of two parts of urea and one part of formaldehyde in basic medium at 50 degrees temperature in a stainless steel vessel. In this reaction, hexamine is used as a catalyst. Urea formaldehyde is prepared by condensation polymerization reaction. In previous four, plastics are prepared by addition polymerization. In this reaction, two parts of urea and one part of formaldehyde are used. Our basic medium means KOH or NaOH base are used and 50 degrees temperature used. In this reaction, hexamine is used as a catalyst. Hexamine is the more favorable catalyst in this reaction. Uses of urea formaldehyde. It is used in the manufacture of decorative articles, glasses, dishes, buttons, bottle caps, etc. Second one, it is used as a adhesive and in molding. Third one, it is also used for binding plywood, electrical insulation, and as a cation exchanger. Then next, bakelite. Bakelite preparation is indicated by the following flow diagram. Bakelite, this is also prepared condensation polymerization. In this preparation, two monomers are used. One is phenol, another one is formaldehyde. These two monomers heat in the presence of H2SO4 to form ortho and para hydroxy methylolbenzene. The ortho and para hydroxy methylolbenzene loss of water to form another intermediate product is called as novolac. These novolacs react in the presence of hexamine, hexamethylene tetraamine catalyst to form final product is bakelite. This reaction also discussed in previous class, that is condensation polymerization. Uses of bakelite. It is used for making electrical switches, plugs, switchboards, etc. It is used for making of telephone, radio and television parts. Third one, it is used in ion exchangers, bearings and in paints and varnishes. These six preparations and uses of plastics, these almost all used in real life, like in household articles, industries, photographic equipment, cable covering materials, conveyor belts, bearings, telephone and television parts, switchboards, toys, combs, buttons. The first four compounds, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, Teflon or tetrafluoroethylene, polystyrene. These are undergoes addition polymerization. Addition polymerization reaction occurred in these plastics. The carbon-carbon containing double bond. In this double bond, one is a sigma bond and another one is pi bond. When compared to the sigma bond, pi bond is weak bond. It is easily breakable and distributed of two electrons each of carbon. These two electrons another new monomer to react one new sigma bond. Fifth and sixth compounds. Urea compounds are plastics. Urea formaldehyde and bakelite. In this reaction, two monomers are used because this is undergoes condensation polymerization. In urea formaldehyde, losses of water and bakelite also losses of water. Any reaction, any chemical reaction, losses of small molecules, that is called condensation reaction. It is polymerization reaction because it is called condensation polymerization. Then next topic is rubbers. The rubbers containing high elastic nature. It elastic elimination 300% excess. Definition of rubber: the high molecular weight organic polymers having elasticity property are called rubbers. They have elastic elimination in excess of 300%. Elasticity is a great deformation by an external force and recover rapidly when the force is removed. Like plastics, rubbers also high molecular weight organic polymers which have high elasticity because it is called rubbers. Its elastic nature excess of 300% when compared to the plastics. It containing great deformation whenever load is applied. Great deformation occur whenever load is removed, recover rapidly. Natural rubber. Natural rubber is an elastic material that is obtained from certain trees, mainly Heva, Barcelinis, and Gatta Parcha. These are obtained or growth in tropical region. Tropical regions, it areas more temperature occurred. The amount of rubber in latex varies from 30 to 40% depending upon the age of the tree. Whenever the rubber tree containing high age, the rubber also obtained more amount, and the rubber tree containing less age, the amount of rubber is decreased. Preparation of natural rubber. Latex is obtained by tapping the tree in such a manner so as to all the liquid to flow out into small vessels. Tapping is usually done at an intervals of about 6 months Latex is diluted to contain between 15 to 20% of rubber and filtered to eliminate any dirty present in it. Preservative like ammonia are added. The diluted latex is treated with acetic acid or formic acid, which coagulates the rubber. It is obtained as white dough-like mass called as coagulum. It is then milled and sheeted to remove contaminants and allow drying. The preparation of natural rubber. The rubber trees V-shaped cuts are arranged. The plant beside to arrange the drum or tank. The latex is obtained. This latex are containing 15 to 20% rubber. Then these latex to added to water. This is called diluted latex. This diluted latex containing dirty particles are present. This is removed to add acetic acid, formic acid or ammonia. These chemicals are remove dirty particles, and this filter and rolling to obtain the raw rubber. Then structure or formula of natural rubber. Natural rubber is a natural polymer. Latex is a milky like liquid that flows after the bark of the rubber trees is cut. Latex is mixture of rubber particles and water. The formula of natural rubber is C5H8N, where N is about 10,000 units. Monomers of natural rubber is C5H8, known as 2-methyl 1,3 butadiene. This is also called isoprene. Each monomer molecules has two double bonds and thus known as diene. In this natural rubber, the two double bonds are containing two sigma bonds and two pi bonds. Compared to the sigma bonds, the pi bonds are weak. This is break to form another monomer isoprene. These are the reaction to form polyisoprene, that is called natural rubber. Characteristics of natural rubber. Number 1, natural rubber combines high strength, tensile and tear with outstanding resistance to fatigue. It has excellent green strength and tack, which means that it has the ability to stick to itself and to other material, which make it easier to fabricate. It has moderate resistance to environmental damage by heat, light and ozone, which is one of its drawback. Fourth one, the natural rubber has excellent adhesion to brass plated steel cord, which is ideal in rubber tires. Fifth one, it has low high stress, which leads to low heat generation, and this turn maintains new tire service integrity and extends retardability. Sixth one, the natural rubber has low rolling resistance with enhanced fuel economy. Seventh one, it has high resistance to cutting, chipping and tearing. so it cannot be used as such, hence crude rubber is vulcanized. These advantages. Some specific properties are containing the natural rubber because this is used in different types of materials. Then next, general uses of rubber. Number one, because of electrical resistance, it is used as insulating coating on wires and cables used for electrical power transmission. Second one, due to this chemical resistance, it is used for making rubber lined metal tanks and vessels used in chemical industry. Third one, because of its elasticity, it is used for making rubber bands, golf balls, printing rollers, tubes of automobiles, aeroplanes, and bicycles. Fifth one, due to its absorption resistance, it is used for making bicycles, automobiles, and aeroplane tires, shoe soles, conveyor belts, shock absorbers. Sixth one, ebonite or hard rubber is used for storage battery cases, electricity switchboard panels, plugs and sockets, telephone receivers, etc. Sponge rubber is used for shock absorption, water and sound absorption. Eighth one, foam rubber is used for making mattresses, bed pillows, cushions, automotive pads, etc. Tenth one, rubber is used for sealing cookers, refrigerator doors, autoclaves. 11th one, in medicine, rubber is used for making heart valves, transfusion tubing, sheathing for nerve repairs, and padding for plastic surgery. 12th one, it is used for making toys, sport goods, decorative articles, etc. 13th, polysulfide rubber is used as a propellant fuel in rocket engines. These all are uses in used real life. The first one is electrical resistance, means different types of wires and insulating coating on wires and cables used for electrical power transmission. Second one, due to this chemical resistance, it is used for making rubber lined metal tanks. The rubber lined metal tanks used in chemical industries and vessel used in chemical industry. Because of its elasticity, it is used for making rubber bands. Rubber bands used in real life, golf balls, printing rollers in paper mills. The printing rollers are also used. Tubes of automobiles, aeroplanes, and bicycle parts. The aeroplane and bicycle parts are in lightweight because it containing elasticity. Due to its absorption resistance, it used for making bicycles, automobiles, aeroplane tiles, shoe soles, conveyor belt, shock absorbers. Ebonite or hard rubber is used for storage battery cases, electricity switchboard panels are used in houses, industries, different types. plugs and sockets, telephone receivers. Sponge rubber is used for shock absorption, water and sound absorption. Foam rubber is used for making mattresses, bed pillows, cushions and automotive pads. Rubber used for sealing cookers, refrigerator, the refrigerator doors containing around the door one rubber, this is natural rubber, and autoclaves. High temperatures are raised, the autoclaves are used, this is also containing another rubber. In medicine, rubber is used for making heart valves. In heart failure patients, the repairing of nerves, this is used. Transfusion tubing, sheathing for nerve repairs, sheathing, and padding, plastic surgery used in rubber. It used for making toys, sports goods, decorative articles, etc. Polysulfide rubber is used as a propellant fuel. One type of fuel used in rocket engines. In this class, to prepare 6 types of plastics, that is different types of plastics. In this topic, 4 plastics are undergoes addition polymerization, and 2 plastics are undergoes condensation polymerization. All these 6 plastics are used in real life. Then what is the natural rubber, how it is extracted, and structure of natural rubber. Then next, general uses of rubber. In this topic, asking the questions, write the preparation and uses of 3 types of plastics: A. Polyvinyl chloride, B. Urea formaldehyde, and C. Bakelite. This is explained by the first preparation, and write the equation, and write any 2 or 3 uses. Then next, definition of rubber and processing of natural rubber. This question asking define rubber, write the processing of natural rubber, and then next, write the structure of natural rubber. Then next question is write any 6 characteristics of natural rubber. Then next question is write the general uses of rubbers.